Are you a skilled creator looking to sell online? Look no further than Sellfy. Sellfy is an all-in-one platform designed for digital creators and online businesses. Create a store effortlessly and start selling in no time. First, Sellfy eliminates complexity with quick setups. Second, control your profits with no hidden fees. Third, implement powerful marketing tools to boost your sales. To get started, sign up for Sellfy in minutes and customize your store to reflect your brand. Use Sellfy to sell digital products, subscriptions or merch. Easily embed your store on your existing website without coding. Don't just take our word for it. Kyla Holland, a videographer, says, Sellfy makes it incredibly simple to sell. Once products are live, everything runs on autopilot. Believe in your potential. Sellfy has helped creators earn over $165 million. David Killingsworth transformed his life through Sellfy, paying off his mortgage early. Efik Zara appreciates the effortless user experience that leads to high conversion rates. Even Marcelo Reis Melo, an art director, credits Sellfy for supporting his thriving design community for over a decade. Join Sellfy risk-free with a 14-day free trial. No credit card is needed. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you peace of mind. Don't wait. Open your Sellfy store today and take control of your creative journey.